this week's pep talk is about review of this interesting package that we have received. It's Dribbles. Now, what Scribble and Dribble does is it provides a lot of different arts and craft and creativity packaging. So this box has comes with 3 to 4 nice, interesting activities that allows and enables children to practice arts and craft and creativity activities at home. Now, why arts and craft and creativity is important? Because it enhances the imagination of young children. It allows a lot of opportunities for children to be creative. It provokes creativity and imagination. Arts and craft activities and other creative art activities also supports mental health and well-being. It provides a lot of opportunity for early numeracy development. It also provides a lot of early skills to support fine motor skills development, eye-hand coordination, recognition of different color, appreciation of beauty, and there are a lot many things aesthetically which child learns directly and also indirectly. So let's see what's in this package. It says Scribble and Dribble. Scribble and Dribbles has several activities inside of it. So you can see that it comes with several activities. This is activity pack 1. Let's see what's inside of it. So it has this soft clay, cloud clay that we call it. It comes with 2 glitter. It comes with 1 brush and some decorative stuff. Now these are very simple things which you can do it at home, and you can also buy it from Scribble and Dribble if you wish to. Now these kind of activities are so creative that if you really want your young ones to remember the kind of alphabet their name starts from, you can simply take a cardboard, get some decorative materials. For itself, the name is Faria. So if you can hear this sound, so that sound, the child can either paste this, or maybe sort of color this, maybe paste some kind of collage work, maybe do some and paste kind of glitter, maybe they could paste some kind of decorative material. So when the child decorates the first letter of its name, it's building onto a lot of early creativity skills. It provokes a lot of creativity and sense of aesthetics, which I guess we have really forgotten as we are growing up. We do not try to be more creative with the stuff. We do not try to create things with colors. So such colors, creativity, decorations really support early childhood development, and especially their fine motor skills. They are picking up the brush, they are painting, they are decorating, they are taking off this thing, putting it over here, they are sprinkling some sort of glitter. So it promotes a lot of wide range of activities. The other activity which comes in the kit is also another very interesting activity. Through fun way, you can teach your kids about color recognition. So you see, it comes with a colorful cloud and some bits of papers which you can stick. So you can give them orientation of blue, yellow, orange and red color, and you can allow the child to paste respective colors onto this thing and decorate it. So this is not simple decoration, but children are getting a lot of hands-on practice of early writing skills. They are cutting, pasting these things, recognition of color, and many other different ways you can teach it. You can talk about the colors that is here, what comes from blue color, what comes from yellow color. You can talk about cloud, you can talk about actual rainbow and its color. So this is also very interesting activity. Another activity that comes with it is these pre-designed sheets, whereby you can use different sort of puffy colors to sort of color the whole thing. This way children get, especially in times of COVID, children get a lot of exposure to simply use paint. They bring out a lot of anxiety that they are living in and during the lockdowns out in the picture. Arts is a best way to promote mental health and well-being. The other activity that is very interesting that it comes with this package is clay. So you see, you can customize. They have an amazing activity like developing sea creature jar. This way you can teach about sea life. This way you can teach about arts and appreciation. So their activities are really, really amazing, and I really recommend the kind of packaging that they are doing for young kids, thinking and appreciating art. So this is, you see, this is a kind of very interesting activity. Your kid is not limited that the cat is only white or black or brown. Now kid can use different colors to design their own scenarios, do different detailing for different color. This way, indirectly your kids are really kind of, developing aesthetic sense inside of it. Now, developing high aesthetic sense also promotes peace in heart. So, you may not see the difference in very early years, but later life you will see a lot of resilience, a lot of tolerance, a lot of love for nature in these young kids. So, I truly recommend. Scribble and Dibble. If you really want to buy all these things, you can conveniently make it at home. But if you really want to buy this, it's their Scribble and Dibble activities and events and beyond. And this is the number of that person, Kamal Hasib, who does that, right? All of these are really low cost. This can be done at home as well, but as we know that the lockdown is over and we are now back to work. So if you really want to buy this or invest, or if you want to give like a kind of arts and creativity cake to your young kid, this is a very good surprise you can have. So probably you can go home with this box, and inside of it all of this will be there for your young kids, and this way you are giving a healthy birthday surprise to your young ones as well. So let me know if you like it. I will link down the video over here. I hope you like this video and hope to see you very soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves and family. Thank you.